Welcome back to Aviation Explainer. Today we're talking about the duopoly in the aircraft manufacturing industry and how that is affecting the market at the moment and how airlines are struggling. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will continue on shortly. A duopoly in the aircraft manufacturing industry, where two major players dominate the market, typically refers to the near-exclusive control held by Boeing and Airbus. While duopolies can have efficiencies in some industries, they pose several problems in aviation. One of said problems is higher prices. With only two major suppliers, the lack of competitive pressure can lead to higher prices for aircraft. Airlines have fewer options and may end up paying more for aircraft, which ultimately affects ticket prices and consumer costs. Innovation stagnation. A duopoly can reduce the incentive for companies and innovation or improve products at the same rate they would in more competitive markets. With less pressure from competitors, companies may not prioritize development of new technologies or improvements in efficiency. This is a big issue. Limited choice for airlines. Airlines are largely dependent on Boeing or Airbus for their fleet needs, which means they have to compromise on specific features like fuel efficiency, comfort, or maintenance costs. This reduces the flexibility of airlines to cater to different market segments. Potential for anti-competitive behaviour. With only two major airlines, there is a risk of collision or price fixing. Even if it is overt, both companies may align their strategies, reducing competition, or even manipulate the supply chain in ways that benefit them but disadvantage consumers and the broader market. Supply chain vulnerabilities. If one of the two dominant firms experiences a crisis, example 737 MAX groundings, the entire global aviation market could face disruptions. Given that both companies produce large portions of the global fleet, a problem with either company can have cascading effects in the airline, their schedule, and the broader economy. Limited diversification. With such heavy reliance on just two companies, the industry may struggle to diversify production lines, create redundancy in manufacturing, or maintain a varied supply chain capable of handling unexpected global disruptions, example pandemics, geopolitical tensions. Potential solutions I can think of off my head. Promote entry of new competitors. Government incentives. Government could provide subsidies or financial incentive to new or emerging aircraft manufacturers to enter the market. This could include tax breaks, loans, or guarantees for new companies that seek to compete with Airbus and Boeing. Encourage regional players, smaller aircraft manufacturers like Embraer, Brazil, or Comac in China, could be supported in their efforts to expand internationally. If regional manufacturers gain more market share, the duopoly would be weakened, creating more competitive pressure. Improved regulatory oversight. Stronger antitrust measures. Regulatory bodies like the European Commission or the United States Department of Justice could be more rigorously involved in monitoring and intervening in the market to prevent anti-competitive behaviour. This could include breaking up or restructuring mergers or joint ventures between Airbus and Boeing if they begin to reduce competition. More transparency in pricing. Increase the transparency regarding the aircraft pricing and production costs. The long-term contract between manufacturers and airlines could help reduce pricing power and give airlines more room to negotiate. Encourage technological innovation and collaboration. Collaboration, research and development. Government or industry groups could create consortiums that foster collaboration between manufacturers, universities, and tech companies. These collaborations could focus on emerging technologies such as electric or hybrid aircraft that may provide an opportunity for new players to disrupt the market. Investing in sustainability. The long term, the introduction of the new environmental standards, example reducing carbon emissions, could create an opportunity for new aircraft designs that break the current technological monopoly and encourage innovation and new entrants. Foster open sky market, reducing the entry barriers in aviation. International trade policies could be adjusted to lower the barrier for new entrants in the aircraft manufacturing industry. For instance, relaxing some export control or trade barriers on aircraft that could make it easier for manufacturers from outside the US and Europe to sell to international markets. And global cooperation. Countries could set up frameworks for international cooperation, including next-generation airliners, opening up possibilities for less established manufacturers to grow in the global market. I would love to hear your input on what you believe could be changed or what you believe is wrong with the industry. So please get back to me. I will try to release a video every day on the week from now on, so please stay tuned as it will get exciting. Just so you all know, over the next week or two, I'm going to be releasing a video a day. This upcoming week, I'll be focusing on each different airline manufacturer after this video, and I'll be explaining how each airline manufacturer has a possibility to change and what their future could hold, in my opinion. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will see you all again tomorrow.